Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix unable to join other player server in MECCHA CHAMELEON. So the first thing what we need to do here is to close the game and look if there is no update. Most likely if you are encountering this problem, let's say you have a friend who already updated the game and you are basically haven't updated yours. Now go ahead and reclose or reopen your Steam and see if the game has an update. So the first step is what you need to do here is right click on the game, go to properties. On the launch options, go ahead and put in this code which is -DX11. Go ahead and close this out and try to relaunch the game. If that didn't work, go ahead and try -D3D11. Go ahead and do the same thing, exit this out, and try to relaunch the game. So let's just say if that didn't work, two of those commands didn't work, what you need to do is make sure that the cloud save on Steam is turned on right here. Go ahead and enable that if it isn't enabled. Go ahead and try to launch the game. If that doesn't work, go ahead and go to settings and turn on your Windows Defender firewall. So go to your Windows and type in Windows Defender, and over here click on allow an app to Defender firewall. Go ahead and click on change settings and look for MECCHA CHAMELEON. Make sure that these two boxes are ticked on, both for private and public. If you do not see MECCHA CHAMELEON, go ahead and click on allow another app. Go ahead and find the executable file for MECCHA CHAMELEON and then click on add. That's pretty much it from this video, guys. If this video helped, leave a like. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.